What's up, guys? Good morning. Let's wake the market up because it seems to be asleep. It does. It seems to be asleep. You making your own music? On my mama, no. Somebody made this for me. Uh, a guy uh, in the YouTube named Back Hose for you. Yeah, yeah, it's pretty cool. A lot of people love it. It's awesome. How you been? How you doing? What's up, sup? What's up, what's up? Just trying to find something to wake, man. The market's asleep. It has not woke up yet. So while I was sitting here looking for something to, alert, I was still testing my little thing I'm working on here. What's up, guys? Good morning. SGN. It's a VWAP recovery here. A reclaim volume weighted average price. This is SGN. Music's too loud. Can't hear what you're saying. Thank you. How about that? Is that better? Let me know if that's better. What's the blacked out square on the screen? Oh, thanks. There you go. All right. Better. Good. All right. All right. All right. All right. That's enough of that. Can't play it too many times in one day, right? Yeah. All right. LHSW. Yeah. Uh, I mean, it did a triple top. If you look at LSHW, triple top above volume weighted average price. It got stuck. So, I mean, if it can get past, if it can get past that right there, that 3260, great. All right, GNLN. There's GNLN. It gapped yesterday in after hours. It ran to its little gap there at 168. Then it created its own little gap right here, and yeah, it hasn't really done too well yet, but we'll see. So let me get some stuff on here for us. See, triple top broke VWAP. Coming back down. Let's see if the little red line here on LHSW saves it. What kind of note you want to talk about, Debbie? Good morning. Good morning, Raul. There we go. There is note. 30-minute. There's a 30-minute there. There it is on the 1 minute. So this one woke up a little bit. There's its little gap right there. Oh boy. Yes, yes, you are totally a scammer. That's nice of you to say join your VIP premium signals. Scammer? He followed me. He's blocked. Anybody? uh, I love it. I love it. Cree added a word. Thank you, Cree. That's great. We have good unity here. We don't need some weirdo messing that up. And I'll report him for oh gosh, what could I report him for? Misleading information, harassment, bullying. Let's go with harassment, bullying. I scalped Chow 3 times. Good for you. That's awesome. Ah, Lionheart, we all need a winner today. We do all need a winner today. So this is note on the left here. Believe it or not, this is the songs that I play for my kid. This is the songs that I play. No, these are the songs that I play for my kid. Yeah, for the little one. We need something. We need something today. Yep. Let's see if it's gonna go ahead and hit that gap again. Still hasn't filled it. It's still there. So maybe it'll fill it. Maybe it can run to about 182. Let's go ahead and put a little blue line at 182. Let's see if it gets there. Note. Let's go. Let's go. Every day I wake up dreaming about her. Yeah. Yeah. God, Cindy Crawford. No, no. Kathy Ireland. Wait, what are you talking about? I'm just kidding. Gonzo, thanks for the rose. Let's go, guys. We got a long goal to go, too. I mean, you guys, seriously, I don't even know why I worry. You guys knocked out pretty much 22,000 likes in, I don't know, I think it was like 15 minutes yesterday. So, wow. Uh-huh. I'm looking, guys. I'm looking. There's everything's so freaking slow right now. It's kind of like pulling teeth at the moment. No singing, I know, I know. What's up, Mr. Lonely? Thank you for sharing the live. Appreciate it. DVLT breaks my heart. Yeah, I know, man. It is a little bit unfortunate, but it'll swing back around. Oh man, this thing's failing early. This thing's failing early. That volume weighted average price, it can't get above it, then it's coming back down. So, and that's what we've been seeing a lot of recently is that failure to do something. Let's see how the Chow's doing. Chow was a good little mover yesterday in after hours. Now it's having a hard time getting back over that volume weighted average price. And there's your failure right there. I love it. I love it. I'm working on something, and that was a good prediction there. It predicted it correctly. Oh yeah. Every now and then you guys will hear that ding ding. That's the that's the program telling me that the thing just completely fell apart. Yo, what's up, Raylan? How you doing? Patricia, thank you for coming on. Good morning. Oh geez. This is the wonky version. I'm sorry. Here, let me change that. There we go. Yeah. I was recording yesterday, the little thing I'm working on. And I changed it to that other screen for you guys on YouTube there. So that should be better. That should be a lot better for you. Yeah, that's pretty awesome that that literally alerted that that thing was breaking down and failing. It failed. Chow trying. Well, that's not exactly trying. It would be trying if it wanted to break through that volume weighted average price, but it's not wanting to. Here, I thought it had a little bit of a cup and handle. It did break this little price level right here, about 71 cents, and then tried and it didn't get through. Yeah, it's kind of working. I mean, at least that part of it's working where it gives me that early heads up that something's breaking down. So that's good. That's good. I mean, that is a complete breakdown, and that's nuts. Here, let me show you guys real quick. I'm just gonna show you real quick. All right, check it. Check it out. So this is the system. I'm gonna somehow get it on here so you guys can see it. There. So you guys see right here, breakdown. It told me before it broke down. It said breakdown, hard fail, trend short risk. Right here, 0 of 4, and then flow rejected, wait. So this is what I've been working on, and well, we'll see. Yesterday it cost me some money, and I changed some stuff, and now I'm hopefully, hopefully it'll figure itself out. Uh, I got to change more stuff in it, but hopefully it'll work. It worked a couple times yesterday. I shouldn't say that it worked a couple times. It worked a lot of times yesterday. It just, what is going on here? Why does this keep turning off my music? Ah, thank you, Gonzo. Thank you for the roses. Appreciate it. Weeble just added a feature similar to that, but you have to pay. Uh-huh. Well, I mean, considering I'm working on this and it's costing me money to work on it, I've I'm paying for it. Oh man, it's been like 2 months. It feels like I don't know if it's been exactly 2 months, but yeah, there's absolutely nothing that actually looks interesting right now to me. FSLY. That was another one that moved in the after hours yesterday. It's actually above it volume weighted average price right now. Um, if anything, I'd be looking for it to break through. What is this? 3 1326. Maybe at 1340, maybe get a new high. That's what I'd be going for there. Two down, ORGN and VTAC. 1690 a month, huh? I'm going to be selling mine for $2 billion. Yep, non-refundable. $2 billion. God, look at that. Frickin' hell. Ah, note. Down $1. It breaks $1, and jeez, it's a goner. Cause it's got a lot of room to fall. Looks like $1 has been, it's been, the lowest it's been. Well, nope, 96 cents has now been the lowest. What did they just do an offering or something? What's going on? What is going on here? I don't even want to look at it anymore. That is just disgusting. SGN's trying. SGN is looking all right. Above volume weighted average price. Nice little movement there. Almost got like a weird looking inverted head and shoulder pattern thing going here. Shoulder, head, shoulder, boom. Or you could be working on a big cup and handle. I'd say it has to stay above the volume weighted average price. It's 26 cents. I mean, it's not a whole lot of movement. Let's do VTech over here. Yeah, I gotta change something here. All right, let's put SGN up here. AZI will go back up, way down. Okay. All right, so we'll see if SGN can get up to 29.16. I mean, if this cup and handle were to actually work out, here's what it would need to break for it to work out. So 29.16 wouldn't be that far off. And if you look at, let's say, a 5-minute chart, well, look at that. That's pretty, right? Could it be working on a inverted head and shoulder pattern here above volume weighted average price? It could, as long as it doesn't break down. You guys are doing great. I appreciate y'all being here. Every little man needs some support. Every little man. Good morning, Night Owl. Good morning. What's up, Mitchell? Mitchell the Crusher. That's cheap. That is cheap. $2 billion is cheap. All right, you know what? Let's do it. Let's see. Nothing crazy. We're just gonna do 100 shares at so that's nothing. At 27.85. Let's see if it gets to that 29.16. Flow is confirmed. Yeah, 2 of the 4 stacked. Trend is long. And 29.16. Are we gonna get a new high? Are we gonna get a new high here? Come on, there we go. 29.17. Oh god. Oh man, yeah, Easy I did get its ass kicked. It got destroyed. Ugh, I can't wake up. I'm so tired, guys. Freaking tired. Oh, look at that. Cool, I made a whole doll hair. That makes everything better. Everything's better with butter. I like me some Kelly Gold butter. Or Kerrygold, sorry. Kerrygold butter. That's so good. Come on. Come on, give me that breakout candle. You know you want to. All right, let's give a target here on this little guy. Here's a 30-minute. That's a possibility. I mean, that is its recent high, right? 29.40, we already know about. Yeah, all right. Let's go with it. Let's go with it. Let's go with 33 cents as a target. 33 cents. We get that target. Then I believe we can get this one up here. Oh, don't you break trend. So there's that. Let's see. Do we have any gaps? Oh, of course we do. We got one gap at 55 cents. There is a gap. There's a little bit of a gap up here. Let's see what happens. Let's just wait it out. Morning, fam. Happy frickin' Thursday. Good morning, the one squib. Let's go, SGN. Come on now. Come on now. Let's go. You can do it. What's up with swing plays taking weeks to play out nowadays? Well, I mean, at least they're trying to play out. There's some that just get stuck or get bogged down with red tape. I know. 100 shares of 27 cents is nothing, but I'm playing. I'm playing around. I'm playing around. Actually, I need to put a cell somewhere. Let's put it there for now. Let's just put it here for now. So, whatever. Damn. Damn, damn, damn. Well, I didn't get a candle yet. I mean, I didn't get an arrow. Oh, you are testing it out on SGN. Yep, I am. Unfortunately, I am. Now, yesterday it worked. It worked a couple times, but it didn't do what I wanted it to do, and then so I lost money. but you know, I would be very happy if it worked 80% of the time. I'd be very happy if it worked 80% of the time. But currently it's not giving me my candle that I need it to give me for me to have an early warning that it's failing. It is giving me one. Okay, now it gave me the candle that the trend is failing, that it's getting weak. So let's see. Let's see. Where are we gonna drop it so we don't lose money? You know what I'm saying? And see, I see a hammer. I see a hammer can't. Damn it. See. All right. Let's just put this right here. See, I see a hammer candle right here, but the system's telling me it's failing, and I see the MACD is dropping. So is it really failing, or is this just a fake out? And the system's reading it as a failure. Hmm. Well, my first take profit would be up here, so I'm gonna go there. I'm gonna go to my first take profit. Let's do that. Fuck it. Hey, if it works 80% of the time, every time. Well, we'll see. We'll see. So far, it's telling me that the trend is breaking down, but I'm looking at it and I don't see it. Okay, now I got my second warning. Mm, well, I think it might be off. I think it might be having problems because of the amount of volume that's flowing. You know, maybe it's not as flowy as we would like. And look at that. See? And this is the other part. And this is the other part that I'm thinking about, you know? It's like, okay, cool. Like the system's telling me one thing. All right, it was telling me that it was losing speed, it was losing its trend, it was, you know, breaking rules, let's just say. And yet this candle popped up and it just got a new high. So, mhm. So what it really says is, yes, it'll throw up signs, it'll let you know things are, you know, headed your way or whatever. Here, I'm gonna just take my dollar, whatever. $2. I just got $2. That was good. Um, that was actually that was oh man, that was funny. That was 2%. No, that was 10%. But it just threw up a breakout candle. Um, well, what I was trying to get to before I started sleeping is that it may be throwing out stuff. It may be throwing, you know, things out there, arrows, and the screen's changing from green to red, from red to green. Um, but it also takes, and this is where the system will get better, because you guys will get better at reading the chart. Now it will be reading the stuff that's going on, you know, behind the scenes. It'll be looking at the candles as well, but it'll be looking at things like, okay, is it above the volume weighted average price? What's it looking at on the 5 minute? What's it looking at on the 1 minute? What's it looking at on the half minute and the 30? So it'll be putting all these rules together so you could focus at on looking at the chart, looking at the pattern. What does it look like? Does it make sense? Like that one, you know, that that was a perfect example. And actually, I'm glad I got that. Um I'm gonna mark that. I forgot how I do this. Is it Control H? I think it's Control H. It is. Okay, cool. So I just marked that as a highlight, so I can go ahead and Okay, never mind. I can't rename it, but I did just mark it as a highlight. I wasn't fast enough because that was a perfect example. Like it said it was breaking trend, it was breaking down, but over here I saw a hammer candle. I saw a little bit of a confirmation, and then this big old confirmation came in, and the trend wasn't breaking down. But if I look at this, I'm also seeing something else. And, some people that don't know chart patterns won't see it and, won't recognize it. But here you have a rising wedge. There's your rising wedge pattern right there. All right. So pretty good, I'd say. It looks like it's doing pretty okay. Looks like it's wanting to break through the that that high again. Volume is also going up. That's true. That's true. And the screen just turned from red to uh, black again, which is neutral. We got 2 out of 4 stacks, and the stacks are basically like how many rolls is it hitting? Is it okay? Is it getting closer to what we want it to, or what? So sorry, 2 seconds late. Later than YouTube. That's a lot. Nah, that's not a lot. It's pretty decent there. That's not bad. But I mean, technically, right now it's giving me a down arrow, showing me that hey, it might break trend. Is it true? Is it not? But hey, thanks, Mark, for the hearts. Me appreciate you. But yeah, I mean, we'll get through it. We'll figure it out. What's up, Abu Adam? Abu Adam, we still got to figure out your subscription. I gotta I don't know. Text me when you're at a computer today or when you're available. I'll be available today. Uncle's house. I'll be working on this thing again. There it is. There it is. Go, 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 go. Get that 33. Oh, there. Go, go, go. Come on. But yeah, so if you see a rising wedge, there is that. Not too shabby. Still doing pretty decent. We're still looking good on that little program thing. It's still looking good. There's 3130. Come on, baby. I know there's just not much going on. I'm still looking. Don't think that I'm not looking for other stocks that are possibly doing something. Ooh, JZXN hit 230 and then dumped to 192. I warned you guys about that one. That one's a tricky one as well. Hey, there's something NVCR. NVCR, that was yesterday. That was in the evening after hours. That was a runner. Played that a little bit. There it is right there, breaking out. There's your gap it's trying to get to. It's on 1 minute. So it's trying to fill its own gap that it created today. Come on, SGN, let's go. There's your first target, 33.23, 33.23. Let's see if it gets it. Let's see if it gets it. I bailed early. Yesterday I took a beating. Yeah, I felt like I felt like I don't know. I felt like I guess what someone like Ryan Reynolds would feel if they went to prison. That's what I felt yesterday. The market made me its bitch. Yesterday was bad. Oh man. Just sold SGN, made $3.34. It's green anyway. Hey, Captain, I made $2. I made two whole dollars. Hey, where is my phone, by the way? Damn it. Oh yeah. I slept on my phone, so it's charging. Because I woke up, it was at 1%. My alarm was trying to not kill my phone. Oh, there's 32. There's 32. 45. Guys, do not forget to take your profits on the way up. That is important. That if I would have just done that and realized that I needed to actually pay attention and not just rely on the little system that I created, I would have actually made money. There you go. There's your target. There's the first one, 33.96. Let's see if it can get to 37.56. That's the next target. But this thing just broke out of that pattern there, guys. Oh, nice. There we go. Now it's showing me 3 out of 4 stacks. There you go. That's showing more strength on the 1 minute. The 5 minutes still just showing me right after that breakout candle. I gotta show you guys this. This is pretty cool. So this is actually working. I'm gonna put that here real quick, but I'm gonna make it smaller so you guys can actually see it. So here you go. So over here, this up here, oh, you can't see that. Let me fix that real quick here. All right. All right, there you go. And let me drop it down a little bit so you guys can see the what the heck? Come on now. Stop. Oh, gosh. Macs are annoying with their new little thing here. So over here, you see how this turned red? This says 1 out of 4. It had 3 out of 4. So that was pretty good. You got your high. Over here, you got your breakout arrow. This is a 5 minute chart. It shows a breakout arrow. When all the rules come together, it'll show that. Then here you have the half-minute chart. Okay, but see, we know that it just broke out of a rising wedge. It broke the trend line. Guess what? Guess what? Now it's probably going to come down a little bit because it broke that rising wedge. It broke out of it. But yeah, here's your 30, and it says it's still good. The trend is still good on the 30. The 1 minute's already breaking down. This says flow rejected. Wait. This is giving me is it going to be a buy or is it going to be a sell kind of vibe? That's what it's saying. All right. See, do you see how it fakes out? And that's what I got to get around. I got to figure that out. What did the chart tell me? The chart told me a small little downtrend here on a 1 or half minute, small little downtrend doji, and then reversal back up, hit a new high of 35. So this is all the stuff that I got to work out the kinks for before I give it to you guys, and to Jrockstocks subscribers. I don't know how I'm gonna do it yet. Not everybody's gonna get it. Just the people that have been, you know, strong strong supporters of Jrockstocks. You know, but that was easy. There you go, Night Owl. That was easy. There, we got that right here. Boo.
That was easy.
There we go. Up 37 on SGN. Nice, the one squib. You are onto something there. I mean, this is something that I need because the algorithms are just too good nowadays. The algorithms are just too good, and it's killing me. It is just destroying my self-confidence, if you want to believe that. It's destroying my self-confidence. It's making me doubt myself. And I need to be a good dad, and I need to not stress out about this shit as much as I do. But this is my job. So I if I fail at my job, I'd get fired. And I've been failing at my job, so I'm not very happy about it. So I'm gonna kick its ass, and 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 it's gonna make me money. That's it. That's it. It's gonna make me money. It's gonna make you guys money. That's it. That's all that matters. We got to make the money to support the families and get you guys out of some of the shitty ass jobs that you guys have, so that you can enjoy more family time with your family or your your mistresses, or your boyfriends, whatever. Oh boy. SGN gap is too big? Nope, it is not too big. No, sir. I do not believe that. Sanchez. I do not. Bear mindset. Yeah, no. Oh, by the way, and this isn't directed to you, but oh God, I love doing that. Oh, and fuck you, Algos. Fuck you, Algos. A gap is not too big. It is not. Look at that. Not that far away. Okay, you thought that gap was big? Well, well, um, what was the one that we looked at the other day that the gap was the first gap and then the second one? What was Ezra? That's right. Ezra. Easy RA. Well, we thought the gap was too big on that one, right? But it wasn't, because it blew everything out of the water, if I remember. No, it wasn't Ezra. What was it? It was something else. It was something else. It ran. Ah, come on, Jay. You know, it's an, it was alerted. It was on the watch list. What was it? That wasn't yesterday. Was it February 9th? Was it? It was QNCX. Yeah, I believe it was QNCX. I believe. I believe I could fly QNCX. Yeah, so this one, it was QNCX. Yeah, it had gaps, and the gaps filled very much so. From 13 cents up. Yeah, and we thought the gaps were too far on this one, and they weren't. That's it. King, how do I trade gold in Forex, please? This you got the wrong room, man. You got the wrong room. This is not a futures. This is not a Forex. This is not a metals trading platform. This is penny stocks, my friend. Penny stocks. But yeah, look at that gap. The 98.9, right? That was it. That was the gap. And look where it hit. It hit 98.9. We struggle with penny stocks. Yes, but not for too much longer. I think we'll I think we'll get our heads out of our asses here in a minute. Already the room is green, so that is good. We're good. There she goes. There's another high there. Let's see. Is she gonna get this 37.56? Is she gonna get it? It's funny, between brokers, my Thinkorswim platform says that it hit 37.30 already. And this does not say that it hit 37.30. It says it hit 36.55. 36.55. Let's go. Oh, all right. I gotta change my hat. There you go. For you women out there, save a horse, ride a cowboy. That's right. That's how we do it. But I'm not a cowboy because I'm married, and that would be bad. I'm so stupid sometimes. All right, let's see. Let's see what else is moving. I want to find something else as well, not just SGN. Yep. Let's see. Still has not broken down. It just threw up another breakout candle. So let's see if it does it. Let's see that target hit. Let's go. Come on, come on. Don't forget to take your profits, guys. Take your profits. The market is not a friendly place. It will bend you over. Come on. Come on, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. YouTube's gonna love this right here. Here we go. Here we go. Come on. Come on. There it is. There's 37. Yeah. Let's go. Oh man, I love being right. What time is it right here? Does time zone affect stocks? Not time zone. I mean, yeah, no, not time zone. Not time zone. What am I trying to say? It's not time zone. So let's see. It hit 38. It only needs to get to this 55.97. That's its gap. If it has enough power, signing day sports. What is the news? Do they have news? No, no news. Um, what am I trying to say? I'm not trying to say, fuck yeah, 45, still holding 150 shares. Good job, buddy. Good job. I made $2. Oh, ain't it cute? Come on, break it. Go. And I'll show you guys here. You know what? I'll just detach this chart just so I can show you this chart. Mm, is it gonna let me just detach this single chart? I don't think it will. I have to detach the whole thing. Let's do that. There you go. I detached that. So you can see right here, this breakout candle popped up on the 5-minute chart here. Before that, this one popped up. This is the early warning candle. This is a, hey, pay attention. It could break down. And then it did a little bit, but not much. And then it just started breaking out. So now we got some red showing. Don't worry about that. The chart's still looking okay. There's your 38. Let's see. Let's see what it does. it's it's working though. I mean, for a little bit it's working. No early warning on that one, not yet. And it's stabilized, so 55.97 is what we're going for. Is a little ways away. Fuck yeah, fuck yeah, fuck yeah. Good job. Good job, buddy. Good job. All right, guys. What are we doing? What else? There's got to be something else, yeah? There's got to be something else. This PRCH, that one got me yesterday. That fucking thing. I think that one pissed me off yesterday. I think. Yeah, oh yeah, this one. Yeah, this is it. This is it. This is the one. It made me a little angry. So it ran to 984 and then it literally just crashed. It just said, "Nope, peace out. I'm gonna dump on you." It dumped on me. The system failed on that one. Could have been good, but it failed. Excuse me. I need something. I need something. I need something. All right, so I guess Bear's mindset needs some attention. Bear's mindset is saying that SMX is going to hit $450, and the stock is at $16.71. So Bear's mindset, please let us know why you think that. Instead of just putting out a crazy ass number, please just let us know why you think that. What do you got? What do you have? Why do you think SMX is going to hit $450? Why? All right, there's a early detection breakdown candle on that one. Early fail. We'll see on SGN. All right, bear mindset. I mean that right there. Yeah, I'm gonna ignore that. Let me see. Let's see what Mr. Bear Mindset here has on his profile. Oh, sports better. I see. Mr. Bear's mindset is a sports betting man. I see. Or woman. I don't know if it's a man or a woman. I don't see that. But all right. Our previous run hit well over 450. Okay, let's take a look at that. Previous run hit well over 450. Here's a 30 here's a 30-minute chart. Let's look at a 1 hour chart. We're getting back farther. Okay, we're getting back farther. When was this? This was 1204. All right, so back in December it did when it ran here. Do you know why it ran? Do you know why it ran? What happened back here? Why it made it run so hard there? Do you know why it ran? Why it started to run? 1126. Why it started to run? Yes, because of gold. All right. 1126. Sorry, guys. Listen to the music while I'm checking something out here. Because, I'm not afraid to say, hey, yeah, he's right. Or uh, he's full of shit, that kind of stuff. And always, I don't just go off of what people say. I go off of my own due diligence, right? Yes, SGN is dropping. Yep. 5 minutes showing the down arrow. The 1 minute is red. Only the 30-minute is still still doing okay, and that's the only chart that's showing okay so far on this thing. All right, right. I appreciate your opinion, Bears mindset. If the United States goes to war, oh boy. Sometimes will be explosive, so the gold sector. Well, that's a big if. I like the big if. That I like. I made that $2 and I can't find anything else that's moving. Yeah, Mark, it's a little rough right now. So we got the 5 a.m. candles coming in soon, so be very careful. You guys have seen what the 5 a.m. candles do, how many shares dump in. All right, let's see. What triggered SMX? Its first little boost in power. So first, it was a reverse split, which basically nuked the float. So there's that. So after it did the consolidation there, da, 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 da. So that's set up for the violent squeeze. So that is what set up the violent squeeze. Yeah, I have stock twits. So there was a violent squeeze. That's what this is. All right. Okay, then there was a Form 6K that expanded the incentive equity plan massively, issued millions of RSUs and options. And that creates the something big is coming narrative. So that's another thing that made this thing go to 490. So basically it was a perfect storm. That's what it was. So what happened here that when it ran to this 490, and see, this is all good. This is all stuff. This is exactly what I want this channel, this platform to be. This is exactly what I want right here. Because somebody throws out a target. And see, I appreciate you, Bears Mindset, because you threw out a big target. But then when I asked you to tell us like why you think that, you said something, and that's fantastic. Instead of the bullshit that we get on here, where somebody will come on and say that a stock that's at, oh, I don't know, 20 cents, if that, and they say it's going to go to $5. And then I ask why, and they don't say shit. You said something. So now I get to actually look into it, which makes it so much better, you know? So I appreciate that. So here's what happened. When it ran basically from December 1st to December 5th, it ran to $490. Float was already tiny from the split. retail momentum hit, breakout algos chased the highs. Well, again, algorithms, right? And then shorts got forced to cover, and the float was basically microscopic. Price discovery breaks out, and every halt adds FOMO. FOMO kicked in, and people just started buying it up, and it ran. It ran to $490. So it was the perfect storm. It was literally what it was Moas, mother of all short squeezes. That's what it was. So now, are you saying that you think that this is going to happen again? Well, for it to happen again, um, the float's okay. It's not, it's not 20 million. It's 8.64 million. If something were to happen and, gold decided to, you know, well, brother man Ed, are you talking about SMX as well? Yes, okay. So you said check 2019 price. That's 2021. That's as far back as it goes. That's as far back as this Weeble chart goes. Doesn't go any farther on SMX. It goes 2021. That's as far back as it goes. So, yeah, that's as far back as I can go. Well, there's a nice gap though right here. There's a nice gap on this is the weekly chart. Nice gap right there. Look at that. 112 to 114. You know, is that a possibility? Sure, maybe. So, I don't know. But anyways, is it a possibility? Maybe. Um, is it something to, just put a couple bucks in and see if it works out? If you like doing that kind of thing, sure. But again, remember, bag holders are bag holders and they're bag holders and there's bag holders and there's more and more bag holders in this one. If they have not already gotten out and taken a huge hit. But I mean, it's cool. Is it a possibility that it gets back up to 40? I'd see that faster than I would see, 490 again or 450 or what'd you say? Four something? 450. I mean, that's cool. All right. Let's get back to something else here. So SGN on the 1 minute looks like a double bottom here right off the volume weighted average price, which would be really cool because that would set up more continuation. Don't you guys love when I put out price targets and literally they hit them like 1 penny over or 1 penny under? I just love that. That's I don't know. It's something that I look forward to in my day. Something I really look forward to. All right. What else do we have here? CGNX, big float, no volume yet. I gotta change this. The music's yeah, I know you didn't. This one's a good one. Do you think SMX will have a huge run again? I mean, that's hard to say. There's a lot of things that would need to go into that to happen. You know, you got to know things like what's the short interest. You gotta time it right. It's not like, hey, do you think is it gonna go crazy? Because it could. Oh, just SGN. Oh yeah, that's sorry. I'm looking at the half minute. Um, there's a lot of things that go in play, and if those things happen, sure, can it go for a run? Of course, everything can go for a run. It's just I think with the algorithms the way that they are now, I think it would be a lot harder for it to go to such a nice run. AWS is pending news. Okay. Hey guys, look at that. We're at 8.9. We're at 9,000 likes. All right. We still got a lot of time before market opens. That is awesome. Thank you, Bo Babble. Good morning as well. Good morning. Thank you for the finger heart and the rose. Hey guys, on our 1,000 rose goal, we're at 3 roses. I appreciate you guys. We're doing great. We're doing fantastical. Let's see. What was I going to look at? Debbie said AWS has news. Oh, Onco. ONCO. Yes. So ONCO, that was also yesterday. Uh, hey, wait a second. Wait a second. Because, more than likely there's people that were in here yesterday. I alerted Chow to you guys in the morning in the live. I alerted Chow for you. Who caught Chow because of my alert? Who did it? I want you. Uncle Sam wants you. Sorry. Come on, fireballs in the chat. If you were on the live yesterday in the morning when I alerted uh CHOW. Anybody, anyone. Bueller, Mitchell was there. I remember. I remember Mitchell was there. So if you were on the live yesterday in the morning, because you guys know that I get off of here roughly around 6:15, 6:30. I was on still at 6:30 yesterday. And before I got off, I told you guys that Chow, the volume had slowly been creeping up and to keep an eye on it. And it literally did nothing all day. And kapow! It shot up to 59.91 from, what was it, around 40 cents? 59 right there. And then, and then 85 cents. How about them apples, guys? How about them apples? And then, and then 89.30. And that's when it kind of took a shit right there. Yep, yeah, 89.30 right there, and then it took a shit. So, how about them apples? That was alerted there. That was alerted on the Discord as well. Oh yes. Oh yes. So that was pretty cool. I don't know. I don't know. SGN starting to move again here. It's 35. Did that double bottom, didn't really work out. Needs to break about 30, we'll say 35, 33 for it to mean anything. Country girls just want to have fun. There we go, Mitchell. There's only one. There's only one. I like to toot my own horn all the time. Thank you, Gonzo. Thank you for the rose. Appreciate it. VRME. So VRME hit 174 and then took a crap. Now it's just kind of hovering around 127. Onco to acquire Real Botics subsidiary in all stock deal. All right. Ooh, ooh. Oh. All right, guys. Hit the like, the follow, and the share. Um, I mean it should. I don't know if I'd say major profit, ha ha ha, but it should fill, you know, once things settle down. Or it could dump. I mean, yesterday, what did we see that went insane? What did we see that went insane? There was something that ran really hard, and then 5 a.m. candles hit, and it tanked. We saw that. That was literally right there. Oh God. I think there's another coffee in my repertoire. Oh, here's a good one. Make freedom forever fly. Let it ring. Salute the one who died. The ones that give their lives so we don't have to sacrifice. Such a good song. This is a good song. I love the song. It does. This song actually puts me in a good mood if I'm having a shitty day, or helps. When I have a shitty day, I have a shitty day. I mean, really, I can't get out of my head. Oh, that or when I get home and my little chunkers runs over and gives me a hug. Ah, that's one of the best things. One of the best feelings ever. All right, that's enough about me. Watermelon crawl time. Let's go. And I wish I still had some Charles Goodnight. I gotta pick some up. I would definitely have me some apple juice right now. I would. I don't see anything really having fun. I mean, Chow's trying to get back up to the volume weighted average price. SGN kind of topped out, getting a lot of early sell warning candles. Well, arrows actually. I'm getting a lot of arrows. So the program that the the stuff I've created feels like it works. It works better during market, regular hours. Hmm. Let's see what Chow says on my little system here. And it's on the 30 minute, it's still a downtrend, and you can see that on Chow. You can see the trend is down. All right. Is this Thinkorswim or Trading View? My screen is too small. This is Weeble. This is Weeble. And right now, Chow's trying to get up there. It's trying to break. It's trying to break its little rhythm it's been in. It's got a nice little big saggy booby patterns here. Oh, whoops. Let's fix that. See what we're doing. We're just going to do another 100 shares there. We'll see. We'll see if she wants to work. We give up on SGMO. You mean SGN? Do you mean SGN? Bill, are you talking about SGN? Which one are you talking about? Hey, look at that. We're profit. Let's go. Keep on keeping on. Come on, baby. Let's go. Look at that go. Look at it go. Look at it go. All right, let's see. Is it gonna get? Is it gonna get? Oh, there's 77. All right, that's good. Is it gonna get 81? Is it gonna get 81? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Is it gonna get 81? 81. Close enough. 81.07. Let's see. Is it gonna get it? Is it gonna get it? Are we gonna get there? Are we gonna get there? Come on. Come on, little breakout. Let's go. Good song, huh? Dude, let's go. Come on, baby. Push, push, push. There's 77. There's 77.7. 77.7. 77.7. You know, I'm happy. I'm happy it's moving up. I'm just gonna take my profit. I'm gonna take my profit. Fuck it. I'm gonna do it because I keep telling y'all, take your pro. Oh, come on now. Let's go. Hit that. Let's go. I'm gonna push the little take profit button because I keep telling you, take profit. And I keep trying to do it. It just doesn't want to let me. Here, there you go. Let's just do that. Oh God. Is this thing running away from me or what? There we go. All right. Now let's see it hit 81 and we're good. I didn't even put a line on there because I just verbally told you guys 81. Son of a biscuit. Son biscuit. There you go. So that was your target, 81. And then after 81, we're gonna say 98 again. So there you go, guys. I just made a little bit more money here off of a very small investment there. I wouldn't even call it an investment. I think it was just it was like fuck around money. You fuck around, you find out. Whoa, Abu Adam, thank you for all the roses, man. Your finger gets stuck on the rose button there, buddy. You guys are doing great. You guys are doing, yeah. Hell yeah, profit's profit. Well, I mean, that was one of the problems I was having with the system yesterday is like, did it work? Sure it worked here and there. But it would come close to a target and it wouldn't hit the target. And then it would take a shit on me. And then I'm like, God, man, why? Why? So so yeah, profit's profit. That's Two good ones. Two good ones so far. Nothing big. Nothing big at all. Like I said, I'm just playing around, so testing is hard. Well, didn't get 81, got 78.26. I still don't have a, well, I mean, I guess I do. I've got an early warning here. It says sell warning, flow cracked, flow rejected, wait, and the stack is 0 out of 4. So there's a little warning sign there. But then the thing is you always got to take a look at your candlesticks and see what your candlesticks are saying here. This is what I call a little flat top. I don't like the flat tops. They usually trigger reversals like that. That was a pretty darn good little breakout. Once it broke volume weighted average price, it was a pretty good little move. Ricardo says JDZG. I'll put it over here, Ricardo. Let's see. There it is right here. All right, 207. Hey, hey. All right. Hit the like, the follow, and the share, guys. That's how we keep growing. That's how we get nice little questions and thought thought invoking questions and comments and things like that. New people are always good. Community grows, we get more eyeballs, we get more people looking at stocks, better call outs, more call outs, which is always what we're looking for in a community. But do know this, that at some point I will cut the community and I will go ahead and just make it private. At some point it's just going to be private because I don't want it to get too big to where when you ask a question I can't answer because I'm bogged down with other questions. And I think that would be a swell move. Mhm. If you cut me, I'll go on a strike. Ha ha ha. Just kidding. Oh, no. I'm saying like at one point I'll just make it private so everybody that's already subscribed, you're subscribed, you know, so you'll be safe. I froze up. No. Is this a first freeze? Oh no. Do you guys still see me? How about now? Am I still frozen? Can't hear anything. How about now? Can you hear now? Oh, it didn't even buy me in. What a turkey. Went private. Dang. It didn't buy me in. Look at that. Man, that was great. Look at that. Woo, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. All right, man. Have a good day. The one squib. Well, and that's why. See, this is why YouTube is this is why YouTube is good. You know? This is why YouTube actually is I feel is better than TikTok because it doesn't freeze. That's, my opinion, and that's all it is just my opinion. But for the people that are still on YouTube, like you guys aren't having the problem, are you? So you guys got to see what you call it, Chow hit 81 cents. Well, and I will tell you that Chow is on the watch list, so I gave you guys kind of a freebie there. Here, TikTok pause. Yep, something's going on with TikTok. That is for sure. Yep. So I'm basically restarting everything on there just to see if that fixes the problem. All right, so now we're gonna go for the watch list target on Chow. All right, let's start her back up here. All right, wait, do I quit it? No, I shouldn't quit it. I shouldn't quit that. Where's it popping up? Come on, stop it. Yep, something's definitely up with this thing. So I'm gonna quit. Something was going on with the live studio because the live studio will not it will not quit. I have to force quit the sucker. So that's an issue. Oh, there we go. I think it just quit. Sweet. All right. But the good thing is look at that, guys. Chow is rocking and a rolling and moving and grooving, and let's get it going. It's a good song. My kid loves this song. Roll. All right, there we go. Okay. So that actually worked out pretty good. All right. You guys are all in here. That's awesome. I'm gonna go ahead and start the live stream on TikTok again. We'll see what it does, if it works, if it doesn't, what the shit's gonna go on, whatever. We'll see. So I just started it. It says I'm live. And I guess because I'm live, I guess we gotta play something since I am live. I mean, what kind of a what kind of Jrockstocks would I be if I didn't? Oh, come on, Chow. You know you can do it. Dun, 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 dun. Gotta let everybody know. And if you guys are on the watch list, you guys would have known about Chow before it even happened here. Guys, please, because you guys are back, please share the live with everybody you know to let them know that I am back because people don't know. Let's go. What happened? I have no idea, Debbie. I have no idea. Gonzo, thank you for the roses. Well, at least you guys don't have to worry about doing all the likes at the moment, like because we got up to I think 12,000 or something on that last live, and honestly, you guys would have to do 25,000 likes for us to reach our goal. It's 5:34. I know your guys' fingers hurt, so you know I don't want you guys to have to do that. All right, 16. Awesome, Thomas. Let's go, baby. Let's go. All right. So we know Chow is doing all right. We're Chow's doing all right. We got JDZG doing all right. Let's put JZDG right here. Off of this 30-minute, put it on 1 minute. And let's see. There's the targets. We'll see if it can get them. They're far away. I think I was starting to get to this, and then the damn thing froze. So let's drop it. Let's drop the target. Let's go 276. And then this one will drop down to about 312. 312 sounds good. Oh yeah. And for those of you that are on TikTok right now, here you go. Just so y'all know, because, well, just in case TikTok wants to freeze. Okay. And we're also going to say, fuck the algos and fuck the bears and take your profits. And, well, that was easy. I'm just having fun right now. Yes, we need the likes. Yes, we do need the likes. We'll take the likes. We'll take the likes. I will take them. I'm not expecting you guys to hit. Wow, Abu Adam, you and the roses again. Thanks, buddy. Let's go, Cree. I think Cree likes the music. All right, so Works actually woke up again. So here is Works. We already looked at JDZG. We already priced it out here. Okay, so your first target is going to be that 276. So it's quite a ways away from where it's at right now. But it's trending up. It's doing a nice little channel right here. Yeah, it's but this is also and this is algorithm play right here. This is algorithm play right here. Notice how it pumps and then dumps, pumps and then dumps, pumps and then dumps. Yeah. So it's walking up. This could be pretty right here. I think if it does break out, it's going to be a pretty decent one. I think it'll run to like 238 and then take a step back and, continue the stair steps on the way up. Thank you guys in YouTube for hanging out, and I 100% appreciate it. Here. Come on, Chow. Come on, JDZG. It's hard to say that. It really is. Thank you guys for sharing the live. I appreciate it. Thank you for being here. Come on. NVCR still doing a nice little job working its way up. Almost got the 1409 there. Very close, hit 1405. So this one, it's a bigger float. It's 100 million. It's only done a million, 1.17 million in volume so far. But its average volume is only 1.5, so it's pretty good on NVCR. All right, here's one right here. So I'll put it over here where NCR is. And this one here's one of those little interesting ones. They're really low in price. 11 cents. It hit 12.89. It's a 39 million float. It's already done 47.68 million in volume, and its average volume is only 2.05. Yeah, JTAI. I mean, yeah, it's working right now, but I've been burned by that one so many times. I've been burned like I was freaking dancing on a skillet. Here's your JTAI. Right. Where'd it go? Just disappeared. Where did it go? It was on my other screen here. All right. Well, I guess I'll just have to type it in. Here's JTAI, 38 million float. It's done 20 million in volume so far on an average of 23 million. And Chow is chowing down right now. Chow is chowing down right now. It triple topped. Chow triple topped. Chow triple topped at 82 cents, pretty much 83. It could be coming back down, I think maybe to about 73. If it breaks that, it'll probably come down to 66, and that's Chow. Yeah, JTI AI, that's a no touchy for me. You guys can look at it though. I mean, but yeah, this one's burned me so many times. I'm surprised I don't have a do not fucking touch this. If I don't, I'm gonna have it right now. Is that how you spell it? Is that how you spell it? I don't know. Is that how you spell it right there? Chlamydia? Is that? Yeah, I wish I can lock it. That's cool. I can lock it. Let's move it forward though. Let's go ahead and move that up there and then just put this like way out here. Yep. I wish you could like extend this to the right or something. Yeah, I don't know. Anyways, there. So it's there. All right, enough of that. You touch it in uh-uh. I'm not touching that thing. Nope. I'm not touching it. I'm not touching it with your pokey pull. Not doing it. Not gonna. All right, let's find something else because again, that's just dangerous. Well, they're all dangerous. I mean, let's be real. But there's some that are less dangerous than others. JDZG down below $2, just barely. I think if I were to move anywhere, I think I'd move to Texas or maybe Florida for fishing. Because I mean, let's face, I'm not really gonna be surfing very much. Not after all the sharky business. No, there's a lot of sharkies. I'm not talking about the bar. What? No, no volume. Just trying to find something before the breakout, before it starts ripping. Well, SGN moving up a little bit. Yeah, it's like 3 pennies. It moved up from where it was before. Now, it could possibly be working on a inverted head and shoulder pattern. I'll put it right over here. Yeah, Blaze, Texas. STFS, yeah, talked about that one a little earlier. Did it get through the little tiny pennies there? So here, look at this on a 5 minute, and you'll see what I'm talking about when I'm saying possibly an inverted head and shoulder pattern. You know, this could work out. Let's get rid of these. We don't need these anymore. So there's that. And there's that top target there. 55.97. So we'll just call it 56 cents. Oh, I think I need another cup of coffee. So LHSW is trying again. It's at 28 cents. It just needs to break through that 29 cents right there, 28 and a half, I guess. Just needs to break through that, and it should try to move for you guys. Gosh. Mm-hmm. Yeah, so rule of thumb for me is I don't really want to play it unless it's above volume weighted average price. Think of it as a toggle for the algorithms. It's a toggle switch. You guys are doing great. Keep on keeping on. Keep on doing what you're doing. And I will keep on looking for you here. All right, there's no volume on it right now, but IZM. Let's check something here. 1 week ago, Hong Kong, obviously, we already know that. Yeah, there's not much. There's not much. Slim pickings right now, guys. Slim pickings. But that's actually a good thing that it's slim pickings because, well, that doesn't make you force trades. Don't force the trade, right? Oh, this is a good song. All right. What is let me ask, what do you guys like? What do you guys like for music? All right. Rock, country, punk. Yep, David, NVCR. Yep, that one. That one's from yesterday as well, NVCR. It just broke out and hit 1418. All the above. Awesome. David likes country. That's awesome. Brad, country. Abu Adam, rap and tap. Rap and tap. Oh, we get down with some rap. We do. 80s rock. Nice. Just trying to feel the room out and see what we got here. And rock, pop. Yeah, I like me some I pretty much like everything. Um Recently I've been listening to a lot of my Polish stuff, which is kind of crazy. The reason I'm doing it is because I don't want my because I speak Polish, but I don't speak Polish to anybody, so I'm gonna lose it. Move to Kentucky, Jake, or bang for your buck. Kentucky, you got the Derby there. I was supposed to go to Kentucky Derby like oh my God, it's been a long time. Holy shit. Uh, it's almost 10 years ago. I was supposed to go like literally 10 years ago. But things happened and yeah, couldn't go. Couldn't go. It sucked. I was really looking forward to it. Knocking boots. Reggae, sometimes, Brad. Yeah, sometimes. Same, yeah, same. Same. Hey, you guys have Southern Comfort. Big bugs. Plus, it's right in the middle of everything, hills and valleys. Oh, I like me some hills and valleys. What does that even mean? Oh God, I know I'm horrible sometimes. I don't know. Mhm. Okay, BBGI just popped up on my little radar here, but it's got no volume. But the float's 692,000. Okay, no volume though. Nothing yet. Nothing yet. That BBGI. That's that one. Burn my face in those hills and valleys. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Risky. Yes. Oh boy, hang on. We can go down this track. Yo, what's up, Joseph? How you doing, man? Thank you for the let 'em cooks. Appreciate you. This morning's been fun. I've been working on a little system, and you know, we've got huge profits today. Huge, like, you know, $2 here and $5 there. we're just we're just working on this system and feeling it out. Yesterday I got destroyed by the system. It kicked my arse. Seriously, look up real estate in Kentucky just for shits and giggles. Oh yeah, I will definitely look at Kentucky. I will, but I'm not planning on moving anytime soon. Not anytime soon. Nevada's pretty awesome. Nevada's pretty awesome. California falls off, then we've got beachfront property. Fishing all day, fishing all day, trading. I can trade right from the beach. Oh man, that'd be awesome. I would love that. You guys would be sitting with me at like my a table or whatever on the pier. I got my fish pole in the water. I'd be like, hey, hold on, I got a bite. All right, go. Let's get back to it. That's what I would consider a really good life. Yep, definitely. You'd see me without a shirt on. That's for sure. Yep. Sorry, ladies. I know. I know. I know. I know. Oh, come on. You know you want to move up north. Nope. Nope. But then see, two down, you just like my brother, you would have to move up to Vegas, because you'd want to get away from all that water, because it would, you know. In Kansas, at least you can see the tornadoes coming from miles away. Flatlanders. Yeah, yeah, that's something it's always scared me is like, hey, what the hell, man? The world's gonna try to suck you up? No, thank you. And out of nowhere, here comes a tornado, this big old thing trying to suck you up into the stars and then drop you. No, thank you. You'd probably pass out from something knocking you upside the head first anyway. I don't think you'd be awake for flying through the air. Those storm chasers, those guys are pretty ballsy. That's pretty cool. Oh, Cree, I saw the video you posted on the Discord with the shenanigans that you guys get into with the cars. That was pretty awesome. You're awake. What do you mean, Brian? I've been awake somewhat. JTAI, yeah. I mean, I guess you guys do what you want to do, but that is no muchos gracias or no donat no yeah no donata, right? Donata, right? Isn't it donata? I think it's just donata. Yeah. Yeah. I don't care. I don't care if this thing runs to $12,000. I don't care. This thing is on my shit list. It is a do not fucking touch this. This one has chlamydia. That's it. I'm not touching it. Nope. I'm not touching it with your dipstick. Nope. Not gonna do it. Mm-mm. No, thank you. I mean, I don't even want to give. I don't even. I don't hate that stock too. I don't want to. I don't even. Yeah, I don't even want to give targets on it. That's how bad I don't like that one. It's like rail vision for me. Oh, what is this popping up here? Chow, 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 chow. Chow, 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 chow. Let's go, chow. Ah, nice. On that little downtrend right here. Came on this little downtrend on a 5 minute. Threw up a little doji about, we'll say 10 minutes ago or something like that. Threw up a little doji. And then you got a little confirmation candle right off of the 5 minute volume weighted average price. 5 minutes. Beautiful. Let's go. Come on, get 84.57. Let's go. Come on, get it. Get it. Giddy up. Yep, that stock has a long history of bad JTAI. There we go. Let's go. Oh shit. Who wants to touch the gap? Who wants to touch the gap? Who wants to get the price target? How about that? How about that? How about them apples? I'm in Chow, LOL. That's good, man. This is the one we played with. It is on the watch list. It's been on the watch list. And I'll just show you guys what the Discord looks like real quick. And this is from yesterday at 2:56 on NVCR. Can you guys see that right there? NVCR right here. Yesterday. Posted it on the Discord. Yep. NVCR is currently at 1444, 1439. I'll put NVCR over here on this side right there. There she is. A little breakout. Little bit of a breakout. And technically, if we were to put this on a 30-minute chart, what would we see? Let's see. Hmm. Well, that looks interesting, wouldn't you say? Guys, we're about 29 minutes from market open. You guys have really come through on those likes. We're at 6,800 likes. I don't know why I couldn't get that out. 6,800 likes. We got 50 people in here. We're also, as I keep saying, letting you guys know, because TikTok likes to freeze up on us. I'm also on the YouTube, also live streaming concurrently with the TikTok live. TikTok live. You are absolutely welcome here in Texas. Yes, thank you, Night Owl. Thank you, thank you. I don't know. I just feel like I'm, I feel like I should be wearing a cowboy hat. I should. Yeah. Now I'm gonna make a Jrockstocks cowboy hat. Oh, thank you for the lightning bolts, Joseph. Thank you, sir. It's very kind of you. Very, very kind of you, sir. Look at that. We hit 89 on Chow Chow. Chow down. Chow down. Look at that. And I just want to show you guys one thing just so you guys can see it and understand why it is important to know your chart patterns. And, I don't care who tells you that charting is bullshit and BS. Holy shit. Joseph's finger is stuck on the lightning bolts. 230 so far. Oh, wow. Thank you. Thank you. This is why it's important to know your chart patterns because right here, if we were really just watching this thing and trying to gauge it, it did a little triple top, right? One, two, three, pulled back. There's one shoulder, there's your head, and there's the other shoulder, and boom, 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 boom. There she goes. Now, if we were going to dissect this a little further, what this could also turn into is a cup and handle, and boom. So that, Jesus, Joseph. Thanks, Joseph. That is a lot of lightning bolts. Lots and lots and lots of lightning bolts. Joseph is doing well. Joseph is doing well. Good stuff. Let's go, Chow Chow. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. This is this is Joseph and his lightning bolts. Dun, 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 dun. Oh man. Holy crap, that is a lot of lightning bolts. All right, what else we got here? What else we got? So as I showed you here, inverted head and shoulder pattern, possible cup and handle. This is consolidation, just consolidating, resting a little bit like you do with your steak when you let it sit and rest. Continue to cook, right? So hopefully this thing wants to go ahead and continue its uptrend and hit that 98.28. This one over here, if you look, this is pretty much an inverted head and shoulder pattern as well, just missing the right shoulder. Oh man, still going. He's almost got 1,000 lightning bolts. He hit 1,000 lightning bolts. Holy Nikes. Wow. Thank you very much, Joseph. Oh man. But seriously, you gotta get that gunk off your thumb, man. Your thumb gets stuck like that. I can't send those back to you. I'm just kidding. All right, come on, Chow. Keep on going. This song is for all the girls out there. How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? Come on now. Something else. Let's go. Find something else, J Rock. A little more expensive. You got ISSC, Innovative Soul. Innovative Soul. Volume is not there yet. Uh, it's 14 million float. Its average is about 512,000 shares, and it's at 13,000 right now. So maybe it's something to keep on the radar. We're about 24 minutes from market open, and I would definitely keep my eyes on this one on Chow because it's trying. It's trying, but always, guys, always, no matter what, I don't care who you are. And whoops, that was the wrong one. This one. Take profits. Always take profits. Always take your profits. It's very important that you guys take your profits. Okay, I didn't scalp anything there, but you got to take your profits. Come on, baby, break that 90. Breakthrough. Go. Let's do this. Let's do this. JDZG. Thoughts on JDZG. Oh, I love this song. You just keep on going. Keep on going. Those who stop, they never know how freaking close they were to actual success. So here's your thoughts on JDZG. 276 is where I think it's going. And if it can break through $3, then that 312. That's what I think. or or he got struck by lightning while he was watching the live and his finger got stuck to the screen at lightning bolts. Possible. Finally, a small cap trader. Yep, that's right. Small micro cap. Too slow today. I don't know. Not on Chow. Chow's been pretty good, but everything else is. SGN was good for a minute. Let's see. NVCR is pretty good, but it's slow. Um, do not touch JTAI. I'm sorry. That is just very dangerous to play with. Do you have anywhere you can be reached for business inquiries? Yep. Go to my website, jrockstocks.com. Actually, here, I gotta throw that out anyway because I haven't done it all live long. So here, you go to jrockstocks.com. Down at the bottom, you can't see it because of the screen blocking it. But down at the bottom, you see where it says contact us. Well, it's literally just me. So you can contact me through that. If you guys don't know anything about me, you can read all the reviews. These people are in the live with you, so that is that's how it goes there. You can go to the learning center here, click on that. Beginners, if you're new at trading, this is where you live for a while. Learn these will save your account if you can follow them. Now, trading is not for everybody. It 1000% is not for everybody. It is for the few people that can control their emotions, or they just have a big, nest egg that they want to blow through. That's how it goes. But penny stocks are harder, I would say, than trading, the bigger stocks. The buy and hold, wait for news to come out and then sell. Kind of like Apple, I mean, I'm pretty sure that Apple got hit hard because of its support, and I could be wrong. Again, I don't know, but it's support of what's his face? Bad Bunny or something. I don't know. No idea. But I know that people saw that as a bad thing. So it might have gotten hit because of that. Not sure. Still, keeping this no politics as much as we can. Again, I'm a very firm believer in I am more for the country than I think any politician really is. But that's just me. I came from Poland for fuck's sake. Uh, yeah, I lived in a house with sponsors when we came to this country, and let's just say it was an apartment. It wasn't a house. It was a one bedroom apartment. So I know how things are and how tough life can be, and I still think that we live in literally the best place on earth. The best place on earth, hands down. Now, with that being said, I think I heard somebody wake up. I like this song right here. This is a good song. The Bears. What's up, Daddy-O? What's up? He's alive, alive. All right. So yeah, penny stocks are hard. Jrockstocks, go there. Start with the rules if you're a beginner. Helpful links. I keep saying this. You got to go to Dilution Tracker right here. There's a referral link. Go there and just look at the stuff. Learn. If you want a broker that lets you trade all the time, go to Webull. It lets me trade from 1 a.m. Pacific Standard Time till about 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. TradingView and FinViz, they're great for information, for charting. Here we go. Chow's trying again. Trying again. Let's go. There we go. Little double bottom here. You see that little reversal candle right there? That one right in the middle? Yeah. Yeah, big wick, lots of sellers up here. Algorithms are crazy. They don't want you to win. They don't want you to lose. They just want to take your money both ways. So the bears, so the shorts and the longs, they all get wrecked by algos. That is the new world order. All right, guys. We're at 9,100 likes. You guys are doing well. Joseph, thank you for all of those lightning bolts. Sheesh, that is a lot, and I appreciate them. I think TikTok appreciates them as well. Um, I think that what you did there will help put me a little forward in the TikTok algorithm. So thank you. I appreciate that. SGN falling down again. 32 cents. It's trying not to hurt itself. FSLY down. NVCR is doing pretty good still, 1420, so that's good. JDZG took a dump ski. 177 looks like it doesn't want it bad enough. JDZG just does not want it bad enough yet. We're about 15 minutes. There we go. 15 minutes from market open. The lights just went dim. So what do I think is going to move today? Like that hasn't started to move yet. That's the fun part. I love doing this, and sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. I hope they bleed. Oh, Jesus. All right, let's try this. Okay. So, I'm a Packer fan, so put on the screen uh who your football team is, who you give a damn about. ONCO, that was yesterday. You. Hello. Hello. What is that? Oh my God. Pumped and da 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 dum dumped. Holy shit. And this is a 30-minute chart. So in 30 minutes it went what? Holy shit. Okay, so in 30 minutes this thing went from 96 cents to $2.71. Well, actually, holy shit. Wow. That is insane. And in pre-market it can do that. There we go. Daddy-O, go pack, go. Duh ears. Duh bears. Gonzo, thank you for the roses. Pats, yep. Cree, blah, blah, blah. Cree loves her pats. The Rams, the ears, yep. I know. The beers. The beers. Check Apple. I'll check Apple in a minute. Mm-hmm. Gonzo also giving roses. He's giving lots of roses. Gonzo is. Thank you, Gonzo. Thank you for the roses. Appreciate you. All right, let's see. We got the Bears again. Joe Thompson. All right. All right. The Ravens. Yes. Yes. Night Owl and her Ravens. CJ and the Bear. Let's see. The Browns. Okay. All right, man. So see, you're a true fan. Cleveland Browns. That is tough. That is tough to be a Browns fan. That is heartbreaking. Um, you guys have gotten better though, so that's good. Colts 2 down. Thoughts on SRXH? SRXH. Well, you're on the 200 EMA on the 30-minute chart. So as long as you don't break below on SRXH, as long as you don't break 14 cents, if you do, your last chance to salvage anything would be about 13, most we'll just say 13.13. All right, if it can bounce off this 200 EMA here on a 30-minute chart, gifting suspended for 10 minutes. This behavior is not in line with our policies. Gifting is suspended for 10 minutes in the live. Reason: limited interactions. Learn more in rules guidance. Live monetized. What? What happened? I don't understand that. Select reason for appeal. The notice is unclear. I'm still not sure why I got this restriction. My live does not contain the content mentioned in the notice. Yeah, I'm gonna go with that one and submit. Okay. Ooh. Chow's not on the move yet. Chow is still just kind of chilling at 87. It's trying to break through that 90 cents, but right now it's trying to just get through 88. You must be a bad boy in TikTok's eyes. Seriously, I'm so bad. I'm so bad. Did I ever make myself another coffee? No, no, I did not. Okay. Oh, yep, yep, yep. That's right. Millions via gifts. Yes, because I literally, I am so bad in TikTok's eyes. All right. So let's see. So SRX, as where we were going with that. So if it can get some movement, and break through with good volume, about 15.5 cents, then you might be able to get your 27.45. But it needs to pick up some volume. It really does. 52.35. So 52.35 million is the float. It's only done its average volume so far on SRXH. Apple, AAPL. Whoops. I always do that. AAPL. And why are we looking at AAPL? Because it got wrecked? Because it's doing its standard operating procedure? Mm-hmm. Look how many times it's tested $280. A one, a two, a three, a four, a five, 5 times in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In 6 days, it's tested 280 5 times. No problem, Adam. Thank you, man. And don't forget to text me. We'll get your subscription fixed. All right. Well, let's see. Night Owl. Again, I maintain YouTube is number one. And don't forget, guys, I'm also on YouTube live streaming concurrently with TikTok because TikTok likes to fuck around and find out. Yep, we love our night owl. Sure do. Mm-hmm. All right, let's see. It is about 8 minutes until market open. Again, I did throw jrockstocks.com on here, helpful links. Check them out. Go do it. Do your thing there, okay? All right. Learning center is for beginners. You gotta start somewhere, right? So you start with the rules, learn candlesticks, learn definitions, listen to books. If you're interested in making trading your thing, then you gotta just jump in and do it. Okay. And I mean practice first. Okay, which means simulator, which means paper trading. All right, so there's Learning Center. The watch list comes out every day, Sunday through Thursday for the next day in trading. So here, this one went out 10 hours ago for today. This one over here went out a day ago for yesterday, 2 days ago, and so on and so forth. So you can check, you can see it, right? You can take a look. Here's the pricing. So $59.99 a month. You get the watch list, you get exact entries, exit, exact stop. You get take profit 1, 2, and 3, and you get notes on volume, float, catalyst, dilution, toxic agents. You get access to the Discord. You can message me privately. You can ask me questions, ask me to take a look at a stock for you. Direct message me, and I answer those a lot faster than I do the ones on TikTok if you send me a message on TikTok. All right, if you want access for the full year and you want to save 20%, or if you know you're going to be with me for the full year because you enjoy what I do and it helps you out, then you can save $149, $150 basically. Subscribe for the full year. Instead of paying $719.88, you pay $569.90. If you want just the watch list, if you want to just see what that's like and not have the Discord access because you don't like Discord or what have you, then you just do the watch list and you get all of that minus the Discord. And that's it. Okay. Very simple. If you want to know a little bit about me, here I am with my wife and my kids. All right. This is where you can read about me, answer some questions. And if you guys make money off me and you guys don't want to send it to TikTok, you want to send it to me, then you can Cash App me. And that's fine too. Obviously stay in line. Don't give me all your profits, but some are nice. So uh, you want the Discord. LOL. It has the bird. Oh, it does. It has the bird. It does have the bird. Um, all right. So that's jrockstocks.com. Don't forget to go there, hang out, become a member. It's free. And that's that. Let's take a look if there's anything that I think could possibly blow up here once market opens and during the day. Let's see. Let's see. Hopefully we catch another chow. That would be awesome because that thing end of the day just decided to go boom. And it's nice low price stock. That is nice. Oh, that one's getting beat up. I'd still keep an eye on NVCR. That one's good. I would stay away from JTAI. I'm not seeing much out there right now. If you're on the Discord, I'll throw some alerts out if I see anything that's looking interesting. Um, STFS, that one looks interesting to me. The volume is pretty massive for what it does on average, and the float's only 39 million, so it's a little higher than I'd like it, but still not extremely high. Mela says PMI. PMI, yep. Mela called it out earlier. It blew up to 329 really quick. What was the news? Medical announces University of California, San Francisco performs first heart transplant in patient previously supported with Picard's Syncardia total artificial heart. Oh, interesting. That's interesting. We'll see what that does. Chow on the way down right before market opens. So this could be market makers pulling it down. So they trap both bears and longs. So they'll take people's money on the way down because people are like, "Oh no, I'm losing money." So they'll go ahead and sell because it's coming down, and the shorts will get in because they're like, "Oh yeah, this thing's gonna go back down to nothing," and then the market makers flip it. They flip the switch. And who are market makers and who are algos? Well, they are one and the same. They are one and the same. They are hedge funds. They're banks. They just want to take all your money. That's what they want to do. So don't let them. So take your profits into strength, not into weakness, right? And the saying that I feel like I have really adapted into this live is don't go chasing waterfalls, right? A little TLC there. Let's go ahead and end the live here with some badass music here. All right. We got 1 minute till market opens, guys. So remember, sell into strength, not into weakness. Like when you're going up here, this is strength. This is already starting to get a little weak right here. Yep, just like it did before, right here, right? Yep. So when it starts getting weak, you don't want to be like, "Oh no, it's this thing's done." And then you start chasing it on the way down like you guys see me do sometimes, you know? So there's a little three top there. Here's your weakness right here. It's still pushing, it's trying, but it's weakness because it's coming down. And now you're like, oh crap, I'm losing money, I'm losing money, I'm losing money. And you keep trying to chase it. So don't do that. All right, guys, take your profits, take your profits, take your profits. And it's go time. Don't forget to take your profits. Thanks,
That
guys.
was not
Thanks
nice.
for hanging out. All right, and take your profits. And I'll see you guys. I'll see you guys later. Have a great day. Make your money. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace. What's up, buddy? Oh yeah, I poured some in my coffee. Not long, not long enough. It's still good. What are you gonna do? Awesome. All right, guys. We'll see you later. Have a great day. Peace. YouTube. Thank you guys for hanging out. You guys are awesome. Great job. Great job. I think TikTok's screwing up. I think TikTok screwing up is helping out a lot. It's showing you guys that hey, YouTube is really the place to be. So, yeah. You guys have a great day. Thanks for hanging out. Make that money and take your profits. Peace.